In a world increasingly dominated by electric vehicles and tiny homes on wheels, a new player has entered the scene and is flipping the script on what it means to travel light, travel far, and live smart. Introducing the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper, a revolutionary blend of pedal power, electric mobility, and compact living that's built for the curious wanderer, the modern nomad, and the off-grid explorer. This isn't just a bike. It's not just a camper. It's a complete lifestyle solution for the road less traveled. And today, we're going to take you deep inside what makes this electric Trike camper one of the most fascinating and innovative vehicles of 2025. At first glance, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper looks like something out of a futuristic concept show, part e-bike, part micro RV, part transformer. It's built on a heavy-duty electric